another Rheinmetall, it's a KST, the second version, I think. Button. So that means this one. There is no the connection stuff, the small metal. So see. So I wanna try using like a paper clip. So I already make it straight to use that like this. Where is that? Like this. So I wanna try connect to this one. Rheinmetall KST. I already reviewed this one like 2 months ago, maybe. Yeah. At that time, I mentioned like generation. It's according to this location, and then this one is here, and then also it's open or closed. So like this, and then open. That's I told it's a first generation, and then like a closed model, and then with the ribbon choice button around here, I call it second generation, and then with the close, and then ribbon choice, color choice here, I told like a final version, third generation. This material is more glossy. This one is not glossy. Yeah. Today I wanna focus on this. So this is a final version. Final version, it's outside metal. I don't know. Maybe at the time they manufacture like this material also, but just to compare these two, this one is better. So I'll focus on this one today. Okay. When I bought this one, it's almost perfect condition except one thing. This key does not work because the linkage stuff missing. So I'll show you. In order to open this cover, you need to be careful because this one is this stuff connected to the inside, so you should be careful. Okay, like this. So that's why you need to be careful. Okay, and then there is a serial number here. The previous one already I reviewed the 2 months ago. That's the manufacturer's 1957, but this one is according to the Typewriter database, it was manufactured in 1954. Everything was okay when I bought this one, but one thing was wrong. Okay, let me see. There was see every. Okay, let's see this one. This one better. See, there is a linkage type and then from key side, right? This stuff. It was missing this one, so I connected a little, not professional, but working good, working perfect. See, so which material I use? This like this one. It's a paper clip, right? I make straight, and then I connected the. I can fix it just like this, open, and then we can easily connect this one. So I think this material is good for that. It's enough strong and then enough weak to bend easily. So that's the good thing. So that's what I want to show, one thing. And then another thing, last time I already take apart everything and then assemble. Today I show how to take off this one. Okay, this is anyway, this is a carriage lock like this, and then there is a screw right here. We need to unscrew this one, both sides. Okay, I show this one first. Okay, then also this side, this one, we need to unscrew like this, and then the other side. Like this, and then we need this one. Okay, little bit move in the middle. This one, this stuff, like this inside. Put the inside. That means it's open, and then carriage move side. Then same thing. This one, put like this, and then in the middle, and then we can take off this one. Like this. See? Even though portable typewriter, it's exactly like Olympia, Adela, and then Passy, something like that. See? So easily we can clean. It's the first time I opened this one. I didn't clean inside. So now I got a chance to clean. Okay? Okay. So in order to put back, exactly the same. This one and this one, like this. That means we can hook. Okay, not close. It's open right now. It's like open, right? See, it's like this. And then we need to just screw this one and then this one. Then we can assemble. Let's try. Okay. This is the carriage. I already moved, right? Yeah. It's a very good typewriter. Okay. After putting like this, and then we need a hook. Okay, I'll show you. This one, like this, like this. Okay. Move like this. See? Now it's hooked, and then we need to screw. That's it. Screw this one, and then you'll see on the screw there is a hold this part, the black stuff here, right? That's why we can hold like without shaking this whole carriage part. That's to make sure. So if the whole carriage shaking, that means the leather does not collect. Okay. So okay, I think it's done, this part. And then the other side, I already did, but I want to make sure one strong, like this. Okay, then let's see the sample typing. Okay, before look at sample typing, I explain something more. Under here, this spring control the tension of this stuff. That means touch control. So depending on this one, This one go here, this one go there, this one go there. That means making more tension. Right now is a very weak position. So in order to change it, just like this, and then like this. That means more tension. So I put the here. It's very soft right now. A lot of people taste different, right? Has the different taste. Some collector like Erica old version, but I saw a couple days ago on the Facebook antique typewriter collectors. Someone mentioned continually Rheinmetall is the one of the best typewriter. He enjoy a lot more than 30 years. Yeah. So yeah, I think this typewriter is the one of the best. Very good. Let's see the. Also, one thing is normally the shift, right? It's carriage shift, right? But this is a very quickly written, but it's not hard to the shift carriage. It looks like a segment, like a basket shift. Almost same, very soft. So that's one of the good thing. Very light. That's good. Okay, let's do sample typing. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.